Mày y cái này cái tụp à? Bay bông bẹt. Tao mà mẹ mà núp ai mà ya mẹ yang birthday Christmas. Hatu si mẹ ông cũng nữa. Mày nhớ thọ mà mẹ bị maya. Siapa? Ban teriak maya mẹ là mày. Maya lagi cakap angel sah.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka dorbas nong Loompyrdi Iongpiah lingba ka khenru khelut komiti haka khat paratari uyayong kala Pynlong ya ka free career guidance kam counselling hayung wali nalor ki khon samla ka dong lawan bani shimenta da ki samla na ki dong paper haka jingdon lang kino elam bat ki long kemi long kpa haka ni kasngi ka 100-fold academy shillong hapo ka jing elam jong managing director basani maulong ringkat ka kenhun kila ai ka jing batai bat jing pensai sha ki samla o he shnong uba RL bimi suwer ule thu baka thong jong kan ka jing lang kalong ban kin tiu ya ka jing tep jong ki samla khnang bakin sngo thu shai ya ka jing ya linti ki bala banjet hadian ka jing puli ure shampang uba sani maulong ula batai ya ki babun ki benta baki samla kin la banjet ya ka jing puli kakum ka jing thang je ang nuat bat ka sap ka phong jong ki bat la ai la ru e ki samla ban kili jing kili halor ki mat ki ba kim su thu
kaluti ke karier kau penwandur ki mencuar ya karier ki man rupaman simple kan ambil negui lagi yakin da cnagi ya karier ki ndrai ini si kan ni new dan kau penwandur ya kemenri yang ki students mani ya kan kantor lagi si wa puncak ki kompore puncak dai ki kompore Dalam siang tu, dah ya asalnya, dah point dia tu.
I represent 100-fold Academy with 25 years of experience as a lecturer in the Department of Economics, as a corporate trainer, then came back to Shillong and started the training company, started the coaching company, and we also started a college. So you would like to know more about what we do, I will not talk here. You can go, yes, come in, those who are supposed to come in can come in. Okay, so you can go, my team is there to assist you, whatever information you require.
What interests you, sir? I love football only, football. Nama dikili kuna senang the football game, je kakot. I said, okay, football, kadu snap? 16, sir. Okay, which club you play? Chile kaya dong, sir. Before career, then that's the danger. When you get your career, you've got your money, you've done pride of life, then you can go for family and love. Our young people and let's see who will be the winner. The winner will join lunch with me afterward. Okay, are you ready? Students, are you ready? Okay.